If you watch this video all the way to the end and work on everything diligently, you will be able to play this funkalicious slap bass groove. 1, 2, 3. There's a lot to unpack here. It's rhythm, it's got technique, it's got articulation. It's all important stuff. Before we go any further though, let me know down in the comments what bass you're playing right now. Or maybe you're not playing the bass at this exact moment, but what kind of bass do you have? Is it a P bass, jazz bass, Stingray, Yamaha, Ibanez, Fender, Squier, Cort? Whatever it is, I want to know in the comments what kind of bass you have. Let's jump right in. Number 1, rhythm. The basic rhythm that puts it all together is 1 and 2 E, a 3 and a 4 E, and 1 and 2 E, a 3 and a 4 E, and 1 and 2 E, a 3 and a 4 E, and we'll start by playing that on the open E string as such. Precise 16ths. So it makes a groove. 1 and 2 E, a 3 and a 4 E, and 1 and 2 E, a 3 and a 4 E, and. The other thing is I am swinging these 16ths pretty hard. So the straight 16ths sound like this. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. We put a swing feel on them. We got 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 and 2 E, a 3 and a 4 E, and 1 and 2 E, a 3 and a 4 E, and. Got this handy little drum beat queued up. 1, 2, E string, and 1 and 2 E, 3 and a 4 E, and. I pretty much went right into the full tempo there. If you need to, practice it slower. Get a metronome out. 1 and 2 E, a 3 and a 4 E, and 1 and 2 E, a 3 and a 4 E, and 1 and 2 E, a 3 and a 4 E, and. Just make sure you got it nice and tight, nice and precise. Lock it in. Once you get the rhythm down, fingerstyle, step 2 is going to be articulation. Probably the hardest part of this whole thing. All in the left hand. Mostly all in the left hand. So, first 2 notes, 1 and. I put a little line underneath them. That means tenuto. Tenuto is similar to staccato. It's like halfway between staccato and legato. It's where the notes are long. They're like the full length almost. But there's just a little bit of a separation so that they're not connected. So instead of going 1 and, where that E string just keeps ringing, 1 and. In practice, it's just sort of like this. Just barely muting in between the notes. So we got 1 and then we have a muted like that. Two of those in a row. 1 and mute pluck. 1 and E. So we're doing a mute and then a really short 8th note. 1 and E. 1 and E. And then another muted note followed by a short staccato 8th. 1 and E, a 3. A 1 and E, a 3. Next we have another muted note and then a short note. 1 and 2 E, a 3 and up. 1 and 2 E, a 3 and then 4 E and. So muted note, ring it out. 1 and 2 E, a 3 and a 4 E and 1 and 2 E, a 3 and a 4 E and 1 and 2. 1 and 2 E, a 3 and a 4 E and 1. The next step is to learn the actual lick fingerstyle. 1 and 2 E a 3, all on the open E string. 1 and 2 E a 3, and is the open D. 1 and 2 E a 3, and 1 and 2 E 3, and 4 E is gonna be like this. 1 and 2 E a 3, and 4 E. 4 E is E D muted. Right after that muted D string, we gotta pluck it again to do the hammer on. Pluck, hammer on, second fret. 1 and 2 E 3. I recommend really taking your time and trying to get that as close as possible accurately using your fingers, because it's just going to help you with your timing and everything of the slap if you really understand the rhythm. I'll do it really slow. 1 and 2 E a 3, and 4 and 1. Take your time with those steps, because the next one we're going to start slapping and popping. Let's just start slapping that E string, trying to get this motion down. 1 and 2 E a 3 and a 4 E and 1 and 2 E. If you're struggling to get a clear, clean, consistent sound, I would just focus on the rotate, following through. If you're really struggling, go watch my 5 most crucial steps for slap bass beginners video. I go a lot more deep dive into the technique of slapping the bass mon. So we got 1 and 2 E a 3. So next we'll add in a pop. 1 and next we'll add in our some of our next step. We'll add in some of the left hand articulations. 1 and 2 E a 3. 1 and 2 E a 3 and up. 1 and 2 E a 3 and pop. 1 and 2 E. Once you can do that much, 1 and 2 E a 3 and we'll just focus on and 4 E and, because it's a little weird, and 4 E and I'm going right from a muted pop on the D string to slapping the D string, and 4 E and 4 E and. Might as well add the hammer in now, and 4 E and and 4 E and 4 E and 4. 1 and 2 E a 3, 4 and 1 and 2 E a 3. There's a good exercise. Mute the strings and 4 E and slap, pop, slap the D string. Slap E, pop D, slap D. That's probably the hardest move of this whole lick. Here we'll practice it a little bit at 80 BPM. 1, 2, ready, and. Here it is at 90. 1, 2, ready, and. Full tempo, 100 beats per minute. 100 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content. And yeah, if you're really struggling with the slap technique, maybe go watch this video right here. Right here, this one, it'll help you. All right, that's it. Okay, bye.